Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we have a side-by-side size comparison between the Galaxy S10 Plus and the Galaxy S9 Plus. You can kind of see just how it looks on both phones, and all in all, it's a pretty good bump up in terms of the screen size. You are getting a little bit more. You can change both to night mode if you have the One Plus version, the One UI version, and I really do like the subtle changes on here. A little bit darker colors, so you can get that less fingerprint prone, I would say. But I do like that it actually doesn't even, I notice right now, it does not have the S10 on there, which I think is a lot cleaner looking, just having Samsung on there. But it really is nice. About thickness, about a little bit about the same in terms of thickness. They might be millimeters different, but it's going to be about the same between the two. And button layout very similar, as you can see, from last gen to this gen. So yeah, really nice all in all comparing the two, and very excited to see just how this One UI evolves. You can see on the S9 Plus One UI versus the S10 Plus UI, and very curious to see. I would say that in terms of the camera interface, this is a little bit better laid out because of the bigger screen, so you can kind of see a little bit more into it. See, the Pro and the Super Slow is cut off on there, so you can kind of see more with it, but I like the difference between the two, and very curious to see how it turns out. Do you think they did a good job on the upgrade this year? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.